how she couldn't communicate with me anymore because Anthony was telling her that we were doing this and she was believing him. So
and that we said she didn't want her baby. We never said she didn't want her baby. We said she didn't want Anthony in her life or that baby's life.
And that's exactly what she said on the recording that we have. She said, I gave the baby up for adoption because I did not want him to have anything to do with the child. I knew what type of person he was. I'm pretty sure she said the word monster.
Yes. I'm pretty sure you can go back. We've already put that on.
We've already put it on.
She said he's a monster.
Yes. Like, that's when it's just,
I'll take the bottle.
We're going off what she's saying. So, I mean, that's, it was like 1 minute she was all like, he's this, he's that. And then the next minute she was like, wait, I can't. She told me, I'll just.
Sorry, guys, I'm walking in the house.
Do you guys know, just a quick question, do you guys know if anyone was harmed in that fire? The house fire?
No, it just so happens he was not at home.
Yeah.
He'll lie about anything. Anything.
But
It's a blonde. There's no house or nothing there.
there's a house there. It's rolled down though.
There, Ashley.
What, baby?
I texted you exactly what she sent me last.
Duh.
Hey guys, hold on a second. I'm gonna go screenshot this. Hold on.
Remember how your mom said she liked him, she's unfaithful and all this shit?
Hold on. Let me get this. There it is. Go back.
Kate, you have this. Do you have this posted on your page by any chance? About the house, the lake house? Okay.